Hello friends, let us discuss polynomials. Welcome. In this video, we shall be focusing on the topic polynomials and types of equations. As stated on the board, we have series of examples. Let's consider the equation 3x plus 2y equals 5. We also have 4x squared minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. Then thirdly, let's consider y cubed plus 3y squared minus 4y plus 5 equals 0. Now, each of these we have on the board, they are known as equations. Now, equations, the coefficient of x here is 3, and then the power to which x is raised to is power 1. So the degree of this equation is to the first degree. This kind of equation is what we call a linear equation. Linear equation. Because the highest power of the unknown, which is x, is raised to power 1. The next one, we have this raised to power 2. So we call this quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. While the highest power of the unknown of x is raised to power 2, which makes it a second degree equation. The third one is known as cubic equation. The cubic equation raised to power 3, cubic for 3. Then let's still proceed. Let's say we have z raised to power 4 plus 5z equals 3. An equation of this sort is known as quartic equation. The quartic equation simply means the highest power of the unknown of z is raised to power 4. So all these equations put together are simply known as polynomials. So we call them polynomials. So polynomials is more of like a general term in specifying various types of equations. So still on polynomials, we shall be solving problems. This is based on addition. Addition of polynomials. How do we add two or more polynomials? We have this question on the board. We have f of x, g of x, and p of x. The first question, we are required to add f of x and p of x. So f of x plus p of x, solution. So f of x plus p of x. So for f of x, we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus p of x. This is p of x. We have it as x raised to power 3 plus 2x plus 6. So this will equate to give us, since we have a plus here, it has no effect on these signs. We simply collect like terms. So we begin with the degree, the third order degree, 2x cubed plus x cubed plus x cubed. We go to the second degree, we have minus 3x squared. So we are collecting like terms. There is none here, minus 3x squared. Now we go for x. We have plus 4x. We have plus 2x here. We collect like terms. We go for the numbers. We have minus 1, and on this side we have a plus 6. At the end of the day, we are simply going to arrive at this plus this plus this gives us 3x cubed. So we have it as 3x cubed minus 3x squared. This is alone. This plus this is plus 6x. Plus 6x minus 1 plus 6 gives us a plus 5. So bottom line, we have our final result to be 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 5. So we've been able to solve the polynomial f of x plus p of x. On to the second problem, which is f of x plus g of x minus p of x. So let's begin. First we have f of x, so let's bring down f of x. 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus g of x, that is 4x cubed plus 7x squared minus 3x plus 8. Minus, we always use brackets. So minus p of x is x cubed plus 2x plus 6. Now, the effect of this minus is that it changes the signs. It changes the signs within brackets. So let's simplify our terms. So the first one, the ones with 3, okay, let's say 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus 4x cubed plus 7x squared minus 3x plus 8. This minus changes this to minus x cubed. Minus times plus is a minus, so we have minus 2x. Minus times plus is a minus, which is minus 6. At the end of the day, we simplify our equation. We collect like terms. 2x cubed plus 4x cubed, that gives us 6x cubed. So 6x cubed minus x cubed, that gives us 5x cubed. I'm simplifying straight. So it means we have dealt with this, and this. Now onto x squared, we have minus 3x squared plus 7x squared. That gives us 4x squared. So minus 3x squared plus 7x squared, that gives us 4x squared. So we have plus 4x squared. We have dealt with this and this. Onto values of x. We have 4x minus 3x, that's an x minus 2x, that is minus x. So we've dealt with this and this, and then finally, okay, let's do this again. We had 4x minus 3x, which is x, then x minus 2x, which is minus x. So we've dealt with this as well. And then finally, we have minus 1 plus 8, which is a plus 7. And then 7 minus 6 is a plus 1. So at the end of the day, we have our polynomial. We have our final result to be 5x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 1. And that is the final result. This is how to solve problems on addition of polynomials. I'm sure you got value from this video. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, I will always say thank you for showing up. See you for more problems on polynomials.